Hey. You need to stop the filter that ugly yo. My band and my mother gonna man.
Chanel, big up yourself, Chanel. Dragga, I don't even know what to say, boy. You need to behave yourself and stop this up, Chanel. Behave yourself, Dragga. Chanel, big up yourself. One Chanel mistake all the while.
This Chanel way.
Yeah, you just did. Top call the girl fool. The girl is not fool. She's so bright and intelligent. And you go and like say, you know, no sense. But sit down, man. You're a baby mother with 2 kids. Me all feel bad and I know me. You have to go away and come down, man. Show your baby mother you. Stop this up you. Big lady. Look how lady bright and intelligent. All your dirty people them are this up girl. Or a girl look for. You're not half a damn beautiful to be a great person. Some of them people you have to go away. Alright, big up yourself, Jack. Let me leave, take me down.
I see a bit like a while ago when we were there with the first time.
I can't skip that. Me hate you, me voice. Me add people, but they not walk.
Plaza, either plaza. I can't
Chanel! Chanel, what, girl?
I know when I drive from this stoplight.
You alright, girl?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
Don't make them bring it on here, girl. He's a strong blood clot, girl. I'm not lie.
Yeah.
Dragga, you need to buckle up and stop fuck around. You know, see, there's a Chanel that with the right too. Chanel not left you, know. Chanel not left you. So all of the women never feel like Chanel at the left. Chanel not left for a man, no, if you see. And no one say Chanel not left. No, girl. Chanel, me love you still, girl. No matter what. You're strong. You're strong, girl. Me not lie you. You're really strong. You're stronger than most of them girls out there. Strong, man. One Chanel on the app, guys. One Chanel, man. Oh. The Chanel is phone, because people them love Chanel, you know. Chanel, all of them hate you, them love you. Them secretly love you. Believe. A real thing. Nah, come down. We come to big up Chanel because everybody want in the comments and this up the girl. Wanna stop this up the girl. Woman empowerment. Bring up the woman. She love her man. I know the first girl who love man. Me love man too. Everybody love man. It's just you know true she up on the media. Yeah man, Chanel love her man. No. So when you go river? Dragga, where you go? Not go eat.
You're going out.
You know, but I do not threesome, you know. Because TT really interested in that threesome thing there. No, but I do not threesome. Chanel don't do not threesome, baby. You just deal with teeth and send her one later. But Chanel already beat them there.
And that's me I tell her to stop my life.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, no threesome. No. The people would love if you do want threesome. That is not going to be like Chanel don't involve in a threesome, yeah? Tara, come down now. You go on, you know, and mix up. You know, come over here and just bring down the girls. So start bring down the blood clot girl, make the girls strive. Somehow no yam for some man we are butter on the blood clot. If anything, Chanel, me know Chanel will fuck up Dragga and Chanel not take no lick from him like so. Leave Tara. If you leave, go. Sure, bye no lady. Listen, me's a supporter, me a Dragga supporter, so I can't run me from you so. Fuck on the leave. Get the fuck out of here, man.
Oh yeah. I guess we did it last time, remember?
So Dragga, big up yourself, you know. Like your mother and come.
Alright, Tara, big up.
Yeah.
My next week.
Our next week.
Now when you go to man, you feel like I like drive on road, I drive it, you know. We drive on the side, you don't have to know.
Yeah, look, parking space.
One by one, me I go up the hill.
Oh, and D. That's a D different.
No, we are left to turn, we don't have to bother go way down, so we go use the next one about upper side, you know. Friday, you know. Who are going to that town? How are going to that? Oh, yeah.
Ah, who should have somebody account?
Yeah, mix up with the yeah, the let him bump bucket people. Then when we go on in, but they are forced to come pick up the two people in front of me. So they must be out on the battery and they go on and get them in force of the big old.
Nobody there. Nobody there.
One by one, we go up the hill.
May I bring up you 876?
And what if you going to walk out that there?
Hi. Hi, Dragga. Hi, Chanel.
Hello, 876.
A long time I sent a request. What I wanted to tell you, you see the liquor bought to them, and I don't show them in the live here. And that's why I not get the restriction. Tell Annie to come and try to tell her. So you can put them in a potty bag or something like that, so that TikTok not see, because TikTok sensitive. So I show the alcohol back to them in the live.
Alright. Me can't beg you one money gun. Eh?
I don't have it today, man. I broke. My next time. I don't have it today. And another thing. Dragga, just me don't appreciate it if you talk to your baby mother a little bit more respectful sometimes. If you're not gonna argue or you're gonna say something out of the norm, just mute your live here. Alright, have a good day. I don't know if tell me to come now, come in.
Achoo. Alright.
Alright. One please.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Chanel. Hi, TT. I wish I was in Jamaica to come see you guys in St. Elizabeth. No, like me literally call me uncle and me tell him say anyhow me did that Jamaica straight. Don't let me come tonight. But alright, I was just saying hi. I'm here watching you all from morning. Alright.
Alright, big up. Big up something now. Ras, mama run. Mama run.
Come here doing TikTok video together.
Everybody come up, me go big there.
Hello.
Hello.
Dragga, I can see that you love Chanel, you know. You love her. You don't want to lose her either. Chanel, my advice for you, pray for him. When you pray that say, God, please make Dragga behave himself. Because him love you. Don't make nobody tell you. The man love him baby mother. Don't love Chanel, a real thing me I tell you. Pray for your husband to see. Because only God can change him. The love is there. So just pray. I just saw some man stay and feel like, yeah, it's okay if you be a Salaman. Dragga, you're not a Salaman.
No, who tell us I'm a Salaman?
I'm not a Salaman, I'm a David.
It's just most men mentality that them a Salaman, them fi have more than one woman. But I know so it go. Just pray. Pray for him, alright?
We just love the friend. Big up.
God will change him. Chanel, you believe in God, right? Yeah. You believe in God
Yes, I
now?
do. Of course.
Pray for him. God will change him.
I do.
But me no look like me believe in a
That,
God too.
I know, yes, you believe in a God too, but I'm saying Chanel must pray for you. She must tell God what she wants from God for you, for your change. Stop doing that.
Alright.
All right, gonna take care of yourself and have fun later on. I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see Jabba's come live.
Alright. Later.
Later, be safe.
You too.
Oh yeah, man. Mom, I go use your phone for my video. You see it, you know. I'll put this in my glass. You know you mix up.
No, come on, one.
May I come?
Yeah, what? What? What?
Do you have some beautiful kids down? That's so pretty.
A prank, guys. A prank.
So guys. Mama.
One way I go.
We are vlogging.
Now, vlog, no, now. Send me a phone.
This is my YouTube channel. Billie Jeans, got my love. That's very good. Don't know about the camera. Is it? They bought a prank. Aki drive.
Aki walk.
What you know walk? I drive in there.
Aki walk.
Oh, see you. Oh, come on, guys.
The ear was to do one whatever. I want to put in this one.
Yeah. You say I'm wrong. Bomba, me like this. Yo, this look nice.
You feel up the people in mannequins up.
Yo, brother, I mean, I feel up nothing, bro. Yeah. This look nice, you know. But I want to shape better.
Yeah, I want to shape more better.
I want to shape more better.
What's up? What I'm feeling the camera now?
Yeah, so what?
Body nippy. Yeah, I'm too cute, girl. I'm here. Stop.